Alright guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, today's video I'll be taking you through how you can actually link your Bybit to your MT5 and start trading Forex through Bybit. Alright, using Bybit as your broker for trading Forex. Alright, that's what you're going to be looking into in this video. Alright, so stick with me on this channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into this video. Right now, when you log into your Bybit account, for those of you who haven't used Bybit before, all right, the link to Bybit, signing up to Bybit is in the description of this video. All right, just go through that link and it will take you to your browser. You sign up and then you install the app and start using Bybit. All right, it's pretty simple to set up. I think with your BVN you can verify your account, or with your NIN. All right, so if you click on your asset here, you have the option to verify with your BVN and your NIN. It's very simple to use. Okay, it's very simple. All right, so let's go back now. When you log into your account, all right, so you want to go to more. Okay, you come to more. All right, when you click on more, you'll see a button or a feature called TradeFi. All right, you come to TradeFi. All right, this is TradeFi. All right, you click on that. So when you click on TradeFi, it will take you to this place. Now, for the first, if you are opening this option for the first time, you are coming through this way for the first time, you will be asked to confirm some certain terms and conditions before you will be able to get to this point. All right, so whether you like it or not, you have to confirm that terms and condition before you get to this place. Okay, now when you get to this place, you will see now that you have trade. This is the place you will have to fund anytime you want to trade on your broker with MT5. All right, this is the area you want to trade. So when you transfer money to your Bybit, where there's money in your Bybit, you will always have to fund your TradeFi account, just the way that whenever you want to trade on futures, and whenever you want to when you transfer money to your Bybit, the money will be on the fund wallet. All right, so but if you want to trade, you have to move it from your fund wallet to your spot wallet. All right, so that is what we are going to be doing. That is how these things work. So whenever you want to trade on your MT5, when you transfer money on your Bybit, you need to transfer that money from your Bybit fund account to your TradeFi account. All right, as you can see here, you see that there's what they call equity, total equity. All right, that's to show the total amount of balance you have. All right, so if you click on it now, it will see there's no money here. That is why you are seeing dash dash. Okay, dash dash. So you can see transfer. You can click on it and then you confirm all these terms here. This was what I was telling you guys about just now. Then you click on confirm. All right, so when you click on transfer, you say we have achieved your account. You understand? It's because I've not used this account for a while. That was why it was achieved. So I can re-achieve this account again. Okay, so all I just need to do, this is my ID, and right, you can see there. Then click on achieve. Now achieve successful. Now you can see now it's not showing 0000000. Now these are the futures you can trade. You can trade in the indices. You can trade stock. You can trade. You can see that you can trade. There are different options we can trade. We can trade indices. Okay, we can trade Forex, we can trade commodity, which is gold, and the rest of them. We can trade stock, and we can trade meta. All right, so we have all of them here. All right, so it's just for you to link into your MT5 and start trading with it. You have so many options. Just fund your wallet here. All right, fund your money here, and then it will appear on your MT5 as well. All right, so you can also copy trade from here. You can copy trade. All right. You can use you can go through the user guides. All right. Then funding log. Okay. So all these are there for you to go through. So we can do transfer from here. All right. So we want to transfer money from our account to our what's it called, to our trading account. As you can see, imagine I have money on my funding wallet now. Okay, on my funding wallet. All right. So I want to transfer from funding to DeFi, TradeFi. Right. Once I transfer from funding to DeFi, the money will not appear on my DeFi account. Then I can trade. You understand? So whenever you buy a coin from P2P, it will be on your funding wallet. All right. So you will not have to transfer from your funding wallet to your TradeFi wallet, and then you can start trade. These are the process of doing that. I don't have any money on this account. That's why you are seeing 000. All right. So that is that. The moment I put the amount I want to transfer, okay, I want to transfer, you can see that isn't sufficient for me because I don't have money on my funding account. All right, on my funding account. So you can also change from funding account to unified account. This unified account means both your funding account and your sports wallet account. All right. So if you put it on this unified trading account, it means that any part of your account that there is money, you can transfer from there to your TradeFi account. So that is that. The moment you are done with that, then you can then go log into your MT5. Now, how do you get to your MT5? That is what I want to show you now. Now you go back. Have you done all this? All right. You want to trade with your account on the MT5 option. So as I was saying, you can see that here, if you want to get the information for logging into your MT5, you just have to come to this funding log. All right. You click on that funding log. After clicking on your funding log, then you come to this place. All right. You can see your ID at the top of your ID here. All right. You click on that ID. It will reveal other information. So you can see your MT5 ID, leverage, your server, and then password. All right. You have everything here. All right. Then you take them and then go to your MT5 and then set it up on your MT5. You will be logged into MT5 and then start trading. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos.